Hi, my name is Jennifer Tillman, and I chose Schoology for my LMS for this blended learning unit that I am doing with my fifth graders on physical science. And we are learning about two standards within the topic of physical science: physical chemical changes and then electricity. So I included all of the welcome navigation instructions within the LMS. I also have pre and post assessment and then 3 modules. For the first module is physical and chemical changes, and students need to explain the difference between physical and chemical changes as their learning objective. There are some discovery education video clips for them to watch which review physical and chemical changes, and then they need to complete a learning strategy based on the knowledge that they learned during the video clips. There also are a few more student activities to build mastery within this learning module. They post their learning strategy on the post page of our discussion. And then they also have to comment on teammates' Instagram and posts as well. They have a states of matter simulation that they need to complete using PhET interactive simulations. And they actually have a states of matter and a physical phase changes, which involve physical changes. So they're getting more information about physical changes here in the simulation. They also have a digital lesson that goes with our textbook, our science textbook, on physical and chemical changes. How does matter change? And within this digital lesson, there are various learning activities, text, matching, true-false questions, just things to deepen their understanding of the standard. And then after all of those activities that they're doing to build mastery, they have their self-assessment, which is just writing a short essay about what they learned about physical and chemical changes, and then just stating any confusion that they have on the module that I will need to work with them to clear up any confusion, reinforcement. And then I can also use that information to assign some additional learning activities that are with this module, or students can complete them on their own as well. Just these 2 study jams learning activities are additional ones within Module 1. Within Module 3, students are learning about electricity, electric circuits, and then all of their learning activities have to do with learning about the parts of an electric circuit. They have a virtual inquiry lesson where they are working with a partner to do an investigation on simple circuits, and they are making predictions, creating a circuit, and then drawing conclusions. And then they are uploading those screenshots as well to our discussion post page. And then after doing all of those activities to help their understanding, they are going to independently build a circuit construction kit. They're going to use that to build a complete circuit that works and an incomplete circuit that does not work, and explain the differences between the two. They turn in those tasks here, and then they also have upload a screenshot for peer review as well. At the end of this lesson, they have a lesson quiz, which will be graded right away, and students will receive scores and feedback for that quiz. So that's basically all the parts of my blended learning unit. And I also included a link to our smart notebook for our class discussion, our face-to-face discussion. Students will be able to click on the smart notebook, and I'll take them right to a Nearpod type guided lesson that we can work on together as a class when we're in the classroom to just help their understanding as well. So I'm excited to use Schoology. It's my first time using Schoology with my students, and I think they will really enjoy this blended learning unit.